Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Nikos, and here today we're going to be talking about, again, Amazon changes. Now, one of the biggest Amazon changes that is going to be happening from the 1st of August is going to be the VAT on fees. Now, there was a massive scandal ages ago, and basically what was happening is Amazon was charging people VAT on fees, even though they shouldn't be charging it. And what happens is people realized that that was happening, and they were able to claim money. I was exactly the same. I was able to claim about 4,500 after 2.5 years of trading at Amazon. Now, you can still get that money back for yourself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what it is. I'm going to talk about the template, but I want you to know that this is changing soon. So who is available to get it? So if you're a business in an established even in the European Union, in fact, let's change it this way so I can have it there for yourselves. Move over here. So if you're a business established in the European Union, but do not have a VAT number, issued by one of the European countries, then you'll be able to provide Amazon with other evidence that you're a business. Acceptable evidence, a copy of recent corporate tax return, or official document issued by the government agency providing that you're a business. So UTR number, let's say, for example, if you're a sole trader. Once your evidence is reviewed and accepted by Amazon, VAT will not be charged by Amazon on fees. Yeah, and if you're not, you are not established in Luxembourg. So how do I qualify for this VAT refund? Because even if this is going away in the 1st of August, 2024, you can still get money back as owed to yourselves because you've been paying VAT on fees even if you're not VAT registered. When you're not VAT registered even, apologies. So if you can prove you're a business, even a not VAT registered business, then you qualify to have any VAT you have paid on Amazon fees refunded. So I'm going to show you an example about what fees I'm referring to for yourselves. It's that simple. Okay, from success stories that have been heard, Facebook groups that's been successfully done by hundreds of sellers. By the way, I have copied this from Link My Books. I've got the link below in the description for yourself. So Link My Books connects directly to your accountant, and by the way, the accountant that I've been using is awesome. They are the e-commerce specialist accountants that I've been using for 2.5 years. They've taken my business from a sole trader to a limited company and then to a VAT registered limited company. I've just literally finalized my VAT return with them yesterday. It's very easy. All I've got to do really is upload my invoices, upload my receipts, and then at the end of each quarter they'll say, Nick, what's happening with this transaction, what's happening with this transaction, if something doesn't match up. Very rarely that I've got to do anything else extra with them. So extremely happy with them. And if you're interested in joining, awesome. I've got the link below in the description yourself. You can get up to 100 quid off with them. So yeah, if you're thinking I want to start Amazon, but accounting is something that I'm scared about, these are the people they should be contacting, to get everything and set your company nice and straight for yourselves. So we then need to reclaim the VAT paid in fees. The table also has a summary of the actions, so you can see how. So I've got it here for yourself. You've got VAT registered, raise a case if you're a sole trader, VAT registered. So the reality is the majority of users are going to be either non-VAT registered and sole trader or non-VAT registered and a limited company. So we'll have a look at these two. So raise a case with seller support, state that you're a business and reference the terms, provide trading name and UTR number. Ask them to stop charging VAT on your fees and request a review and refund of the VAT. Raise a case, state your business and reference number, provide your certificate of incorporation. Ask them to stop charging your VAT on fees and request a review and refund of VAT fees for the time you've been trading with them. So I'll make sure that I've got this that's provided by Link My Books too, and I'll have it exactly as is on my Discord, my free Discord group, link below in the description for yourselves, and you can just copy and paste it and put your reference numbers. And what's going to happen is you will be getting your refund. It used to take a month or two, but now it seems to be taking a week. So obviously they're clearly aware that this is going to be happening. But as mentioned, we're going to have a massive change. Okay, so this impacted for it from the 1st of August 2024. Amazon will change the way that invoices to VAT FBA UK sellers. As a result, they will increase the cost of Amazon sellers, resulting in a loss of margin. So what they're going to be doing is that VAT on fees that you were able to claim in the past, now you, that VAT on fees that you were able to say, by the way, I don't want to pay because I'm not VAT registered, you can no longer do that. So from the 1st of August, you've got to pay that. So of course your margin is going to be decreasing. So a few things for yourselves, okay? Does that mean that you need to be VAT registered? No, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't make sense for you to be VAT registered until you reach that 90k threshold. Yeah, that is the time for you that you need to reach. Thinking, oh, by the way, I need to be VAT registered. Do not do it any earlier. Yeah, it'll just create a harder job for yourselves. Need to learn how to create your business and do it as a non-VAT registered person. Then once you get to that threshold, then you jump the next hoop for yourselves. So here's the announcement from Amazon, as you can see here. So effectively from the 1st of August 2024. So what's going to happen, all scanning apps, so BuyBot Pro is the one I've been using, is going to take this into account for yourselves. So what I've got here is, I've got an example. I've got an example of a Hetty Hoover. You can see it here. Is resold it for 148 quid. If you're thinking, why is the VAT not 20% of 148? It is because it's inclusive. So therefore, in order to work out that 123.33, is instead of doing 148 times 1 point times 0.2 to get it, you divide it by 1.2. So hence just why you get what the price without the VAT, and simply take away 148,123. That's where you get your 22.64, which is the VAT. And the thing underneath below is the fulfillment fee. How much did Amazon charge me to fulfill that item? So you've got your VAT and how much does Amazon charge to fulfill that item. So what you've got here is you've got the same example for a VAT and a non-VAT seller. You can see, first of all, the difference is about 3 quid between the two. You've got your referral fee of 22.64 for the VAT seller. You've got referral fee of 19.89. Same fulfillment fee, of course. But you can see how you've got this VAT on fees. So for a UK VAT seller, it'll be 10.878. Now, for a non-VAT UK seller, it's 5.44. And this is what we're going to be talking about, is the VAT on fees. From my understanding, this is the VAT that you could say, by the way, I don't need to be paying that VAT. Yeah. So that's what's going to change for yourselves. It's not going to be the whole £10, as you can see here for the UK VAT cost seller. Is going to be the VAT on fees, and literally, as you can see, it is the referral fee plus a fulfillment fee. That means a total Amazon fee of £27.19, and we're talking about the VAT on that, which is 5.438. So hence as to why they're at 5.44. So this is, in my understanding, what is going to be the VAT on fees that you used to be able to say, well, I don't want to pay it. I don't need to be paying it. Basically, you got exempt. But now this is going to be taken into account for yourselves. That is my understanding of it when we're talking about VAT on fees. So yeah, just want us to understand how it works. So that's what is going to be the VAT on fees, not the actual VAT on the wholesale. It's the VAT on fees. Please, please, please do not think I need to register my company for VAT because I don't want to be paying. I want to be able to balance it out with the VAT on fees. No. Do your business, make sure you run your business, know what you're doing with your business. It's a lot easier. It's basically easy mode. Running a company on non-VAT registered is running on easy mode. Know how it works. Please, please, please identify and make sure that you're sourcing using margin instead of ROI. You want to make sure that you're using that 90k threshold that you've got as revenue as much as possible. Make your money work for you, and then you can decide, by the way, now I need to be a VAT registered seller. Hope this has been beneficial for yourselves. As mentioned, if you've got any questions, accountancy related questions, awesome. Other people I've been using for 2.5 years now. They've helped me grow my business without thinking, what have I got to do with accounting? And if you want to do and ask any questions personally for myself, I got the link below in the description for yourself, where you can join my free Discord. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope your Amazon journey is very fruitful, as it's been for me. We're currently on, actually, no, I'm lying. So this is July. I'm recording this in July. So we are on 3,712 quid for July. It's only the 4th. So yeah, not too bad really. I'll probably get another 1k today. 4k. We're getting there. Thank you very much.